I want is that since we are customer with this bank now for 10 years, Sparebank and Ringerike Adelan, that's the whole name, but Sparebanken is the name of the bank. Then this is like an office, a local office, a local branch where I live and where Mondosol is registered. And so all banks in Norway, they have been pushed by the government, the Norwegian government, to give loans to company. And here you can see Corona situation. And they are guaranteed by the government, 90%. So the government guarantee the bank about those money, this loan. So the website is this, sparebank.no, then the rest, /nb/ringerike-adeland/bedrift. And in this page, for the bedrift, which in English is company, the website is in Norwegian, but if you use the Google Chrome, you can translate it in English. And then you can see there is more information about it. And yeah, you can read more, I mean, but basically we need to apply, and the application is depending on the tax return. Okay, so we need to get the tax return for 2019 done. You see, they want to know the turnover in 2019. Okay. Yes. Clear.
Yeah.
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 So I would like you to go and read more about it, so you are prepared. Both of you, mostly Said, we said, is taking care of those applications, but you as well, you should have a look. Okay, both of you should have a look on how this works, because we need to apply for this, and this is related to the Corona crisis, and we should be able to apply. There are conditions, obviously. Who can get it? We need to be profitable in 2019. I think we have been profitable in 2019. And yeah, it's not granted, but it's like a loan. So we need to pay back, but still, it would be good to have this loan. Okay, and I think it's possible to chat. I'm not sure if you need to be a customer of the bank, because I haven't logged in. And also there is another bank where we can ask the same. And is I'm gonna take another video, but I mean, this is for Sparebank, which is Mondosol Bank. Okay, good. So I'm gonna stop this.